Hey everyone, welcome back. So from my last video, I unboxed this one. 2021 Chronicles football, and I pulled a good amount, right? So just in summary, we do a recap. Got the Justin Fields, two of them, and then I got Trey Lance, I got Zach Wilson, I got Kyle Trask, and then right here we got Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones, Kyle Pitts, and Jamar Chase. All of that were taken from this, right? So pretty good. I'm super happy. I'm actually gonna pick up more. And if you guys want to see that video, it's gonna be right here, right? But today in this video, we're gonna go unbox this thing right here. So I already unloaded the packs. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's gonna be 4 cards per pack. So we are going to unbox this thing and see what we pull. Okay. All right. So the first one that we have right here. Okay, we see. All right, we got Trae Young, Atlanta Hawks. We'll keep that one. We got Kobe White. Okay, I like that one. Joel Embiid, definitely a keep. And then we got Jalen Suggs. Is it numbered? Nope. Okay. All right, second one. Ooh, okay, I already see a good pull. All right, we got Jonathan Kuminga. Ooh, Zion Williamson. Hell yeah. Okay, we gotta sleeve that one up. Is it numbered? No, but I'll take that. I'll take that. Zion Williamson. Okay, we'll definitely take that. And then we got next. We got Trey Man. Okay. Ooh. We got. Wait, is this Mobley or Mosley or Mobley? We got Even Mobley. Heck yeah, he plays for the Cavs now. So we'll also sleeve Evan Mobley. I haven't seen him play, but I've seen his trading cards. He has decent trading cards out there, so we'll keep him. This is his rookie card. All right. All right. Here's our third one. We'll keep this video short, guys, so because I'm gonna buy more cards here shortly. Okay, we got green. Oh my God, you see that? There's a green in there. Oh, okay. All right, let me take a sip of my coffee, guys. So, cheers. Happy Sunday. If you guys are coffee drinkers, if you've noticed, my first video I was drinking coffee. I'm also drinking coffee now. So I'm addicted to caffeine just like I'm addicted to these cards. Okay, we got Paul Pierce. Definitely a keep. Definitely a keep. We got Patrick Williams. We got Evan Mobley. Okay, we got 2 of them. We'll definitely put that on the side. All right, so what's next? Who do we... Oh my God, Josh Giddey. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. It's not numbered, but I think this is the green Prizm that they're talking about. I gotta check. Okay? So, is that the Pulsar green? Let me know. Comment down below if this is the Pulsar green. It looks green to me. All right, so we'll sleeve that up. I will use sleeve. All right, I definitely was lucky last night because I picked those cards up and we ended up with Zion Williamson, Evan Mobley, and Josh Giddey. Unbelievable. 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 Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Get some sleeves out there. Okay. Oh, there's another green. There's another green, guys. This is okay. I should just stop here because I'm about to have a heart attack. Okay, we got Cameron Thomas from LSU. We got Julius Randle, pretty good player. We got Miles McBride. All right, so what do we have in the back? Okay. What do we have? Trey Murphy. Okay, the third. I'm unfamiliar, but we'll definitely look him up. Right there. All right, so far, we've unpacked 4. And out of those packs, we got Zion Williamson, we got Evan Mobley, we got Josh Giddey, and we got Trey Murphy the third. This is awesome, guys. So, all right, let's get rolling here. Okay. We have Josh Collins. Oh my God, Kevin Durant. Is it numbered? No, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We'll definitely keep this one. Definitely keep. All right, so I'm running out of space over here. So what we're gonna do is put that on right there. We'll move things around. We have two more packs. We got Dominic Wilkins. Oh my God, this is, yeah. He played for Georgia. I didn't know that. I have his cards back then, Upper Deck, when I used to collect 20 years ago. All right, we'll keep Dominic Wilkins here, so we'll see what we have in the back. What do we have? That's purple. Chris Duarte. Is this the purple wave Prizm? Did I score a nice spook? Oh my God. Is it the purple Prizm? I think it is. Okay. Okay. All right. We have to keep going. So this is, oh my goodness. Yeah. Today is my lucky day, guys. Sunday's a lucky day. I think that's purple Prizm right there. It is. I think it is. All right. So we keep moving. We'll keep moving. All right. So what we got? We got 2 more. We got 2 more of these and see what we have. Oh, good gracious grief. We got Josh Giddey again. Man, I'm loving this NCAA cards already. Okay, we got Malcolm Brogdon. We got Jaren Jackson. All right, we got another green Prizm. Oh, Rajon Rondo. Most def. Favorite point guard too. He's a good point guard. We got in there. All right, so Rajon Rondo. Put him on top right there. Okay, so this is the last one. This is the last one. Okay. Let me know what your favorite card is out of all those cards that right there that we just pulled. Okay. This is my last pack. What do we have? Oh my God, we got Penny Hardaway. I have his card back then. Yep, definitely a keep. Quentin Grimes. Oh, Jalen Green. Heck yeah. One of the base, but I don't care. I don't care. So who do we have in the back? Bears. Fireworks. Davion Mitchell. That's it, guys. That's it. Fireworks. We'll sleeve these two. All right. Tell me, comment down below, which one is your favorite. My favorite right now, if you ask me, is I think that Kevin Durant or those purple and green. So I got two. So we'll look him up. All right. So just a recap. All right. So we got Freddie Hardaway, we got Josh Giddey, we got Paul Pierce, we got Joel Embiid, Kobe White, and Trae Young. So we'll also put this on a sleeve because I like Trae Young. He's like he's like, yeah, I like it. I like when he shoots threes. So, okay. So we got Trae Young, we got Jalen Green, and for the fireworks, we got Davion Mitchell. So here's the other pools that we got. We got Zion Williamson. We got, let's see here. So we'll just put this in a organized way. We got Zion Williamson. We got Rajon Rondo. We got Evan Mobley. We got the purple Prizm. I think that's purple Prizm. We got to look it up. Comment down below if it is. Chris Duarte. We got Kevin Durant. It's a base card, but that's for me, that's good. I'll keep that one. We got the green Prizm. I think that's green. I don't know what this is. Comment down below. I think that is the exclusive green pulsar prisms. It is not numbered, but I don't know if this is the green Prizm. Regardless, we'll keep that, and I like that. And also, this is the Josh Giddey pull that we have. All right, so we got Josh Giddey, we got Trey Murphy, we got Kevin Durant, we got Chris Duarte, we got Evan Mobley, Rajon Rondo, and Zion Williamson. And the last fireworks that we have is Davion Mitchell, Trae Young, and also Jalen Green, baby. All right, so that concludes the unboxing, ripping this box right here. I highly recommend this on top of this right here, the Chronicles NFL, because I got a lot of good hits. I didn't get any numbered card. I think I only had one, but doesn't matter. It's super fun to unrip this one. So super fun to just open and see what's inside. All right, comment down below which one is your favorite, and comment down below if this is the green Prizm and the purple Prizm. I'll look it up right now, but that's it. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Click like, subscribe. You know what to do. See you guys in the next video. Peace.